Welcome to Like Health. Papaya seeds may be small, but what they did to my body in just 2 weeks was incredible. From better digestion to feeling lighter and more energized, I started noticing changes within just a few days. My skin began to clear up, and surprisingly, my bloating almost disappeared. I also felt less joint stiffness, and my gut health noticeably improved. All this from something most people just throw away. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happened when I ate papaya seeds daily for 14 days. If you're curious about natural remedies that really work, you're going to love this. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. First, I noticed major improvements in my digestion. For months, I struggled with occasional bloating and discomfort after meals. But after just a few days of eating papaya seeds, my stomach felt lighter and more settled. They seem to help break down food better, likely due to their natural enzymes like papain. These enzymes aid protein digestion and reduce inflammation in the gut. I also became more regular, no more sluggish digestion or constipation. Papaya seeds act like a gentle cleanse for the digestive system. This benefit alone made me want to keep taking them. Second, I felt a boost in my energy levels. Around day 5 or 6, I noticed I wasn't feeling that afternoon crash anymore. I woke up more refreshed, even with the same amount of sleep. Papaya seeds are rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, great for cell function. They help support liver detox, which could be why I felt more energized overall. When your liver is working efficiently, your body just performs better. I didn't expect a noticeable energy shift from seeds, but it was real. That natural lift in energy kept me motivated to stick with it every day. Third, my skin started to look clearer and healthier. Around the end of the first week, I noticed fewer breakouts and a smoother texture. Papaya seeds are loaded with antioxidants, especially flavonoids and polyphenol. These help fight oxidative stress, which plays a major role in aging and skin issues. My complexion had a natural glow, and even some redness around my nose faded. It felt like my skin was being purified from the inside out. When your digestion and detox systems improve, your skin often reflects that. This was an unexpected but very welcome benefit of the papaya seeds. Fourth, I experienced reduced joint stiffness and inflammation. I usually wake up with some stiffness in my knees, but that began to ease off. Papaya seeds contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds like benzyl isothiocyanate. These compounds have been studied for their potential to reduce pain and swelling. By the second week, I felt more flexible and comfortable, especially in the morning. It wasn't a dramatic overnight change, but it was consistent and noticeable. This could be especially helpful for people with mild arthritis or chronic inflammation. It made my movements feel more fluid and less achy, a big plus for daily life. Fifth, my cravings and appetite were more controlled. Normally, I get intense cravings for sugary snacks in the afternoon. But during the 2 weeks of eating papaya seeds, those urges significantly decreased. These seeds are high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied for longer. They may also help balance gut bacteria, which plays a role in hunger and cravings. I found myself snacking less and making healthier choices without forcing it. It felt like my body was more in control instead of ruled by cravings. This is a powerful benefit if you're trying to lose weight or eat cleaner. Sixth, I felt like my immune system got a natural boost. I usually deal with mild seasonal sniffles, but I felt great the entire 2 weeks. Papaya seeds are rich in compounds that have antibacterial and antiparasitic properties. They help your body fight off harmful pathogens and keep your system balanced. I even felt more resilient to stress, which can wear down immunity over time. The zinc and vitamin C content in papaya seeds likely contributed too. I wasn't expecting this benefit, but I felt stronger and more protected. It's like giving your immune system a little daily reinforcement. Seventh, my liver felt like it got a full detox. While I can't see my liver, I could definitely feel the difference in how my body functioned. Papaya seeds have been shown to support liver health and detoxification processes. They help flush out toxins and reduce the load on this vital organ. I had less brain fog, better focus, and no heavy or sluggish feelings after meals. It felt like my system was running cleaner and more efficiently. This is one of the biggest hidden benefits of papaya seeds. A healthier liver means better overall wellness, and I could tell. 8th. I became more mindful of my health overall. Doing this simple 2-week experiment made me pay more attention to my habits. It's incredible how something as small as papaya seeds can trigger a lifestyle shift. I became more consistent with hydration, rest, and eating clean. This journey reminded me how powerful natural foods really are. It wasn't just about the seeds, it was about reconnecting with how I treat my body. And that awareness stayed with me even after the 14 days ended. Sometimes, one small step is all it takes to start a bigger change. So, after 14 days of eating papaya seeds, I felt lighter, more energized, and truly healthier. From better digestion and glowing skin to reduced inflammation and fewer cravings, the results amazed me. These tiny seeds are packed with powerful health benefits that most people completely overlook. If you're thinking of trying them, start small and see how your body responds. Remember, nature often gives us the best medicine, and papaya seeds are proof of that. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and real-life experiments like this one. And leave a comment below. Would you try papaya seeds? Let's talk about it. Papaya is a tropical fruit loved for its sweet taste and vibrant color. But if you have diabetes, should you eat papaya or avoid it? The good news is that papaya has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't spike blood sugar quickly. It's also rich in fiber, which helps regulate glucose levels in the body. Papaya contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene that may improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, the natural sugars in papaya are less harmful when eaten in moderation. Eating a small portion of ripe papaya can be a healthy snack for many diabetics. However, portion control is key. Too much fruit can still raise blood sugar. Always monitor your blood sugar after trying a new food like papaya. And most importantly, consult your doctor or dietitian before making any changes to your diet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new